This video series, along with the Canvas content, will guide you on how to use the 3D printers at DMAF. The process starts with your computer-aided design or CAD model. Some example of these CAD modeling programs that you might use include Rhino, Fusion 360, SketchUp, or Revit. We go into more detail on how to 3D model printable CAD models in future videos. All these CAD programs will be able to export your model as a mesh file. It's called a mesh file because it uses lots of triangles to define the surfaces that make up the volumes that will be 3D printed. The most common mesh file we use is .stl. We input these mesh files into a slicing program that outputs the printer's toolpath in a language called G-code. Think of G-code as the set of instructions that the printer needs to follow to make your design. Our different 3D printing processes will use different slicing programs. You'll end up becoming familiar with the slicing program called Cura if you're planning on using the extrusion type 3D printers. Once your model has been 3D printed, it might require some post-processing to remove supports, sand surfaces smooth, or make it stronger.